So the opportunity here at hand is that you guys, 65% of self-storage owners are still mom and pop. And so if you don't hear that, that is a big opportunity on the table from baby boomers who've owned it their whole lives or for more than 10 years and they want to retire. And so I was cold calling with my storage school students. I do this every Thursday for about 2 hours. And what was astonishing is that we cold called in Texas and about 1/3 of them actually picked up the phone. And so this is huge because when you don't pick up the phone or your phone number is disconnected, there's no way that you're gonna get leads. So that can indicate that these owners are unsophisticated or they don't care because they're already full. And so what's fascinating is if you can find that owner, that is the big golden ticket, is if you can actually go in on Google Maps, find that facility number, get in contact with that owner and say, hey, I'd love to make you an offer. You can buy that facility and add value, which is technology. You guys, technology right now, especially in 2026, as we have AI coming on to the channels, is going to be so huge because there's no reason why a mom and pop owner should not be answering the phone because they've already lost that sale. In 2 minutes, they've already gone to someone else. And so this is a huge advantage, is looking at how we can actually make storage facilities more easy with their systems and then add that technology onto it so that it becomes a better customer service. And as you add better customer service, your actually value doubles in the long run. So if you're wanting to learn more about self-storage, make sure to stay tuned to our channel as we're going to be talking about AI and how AI will be affecting our self-storage industry into the future. AI is taking away people's jobs like every single minute. So I get this question all the time and it's like, can I actually buy a storage facility? Like, can I buy a facility that's worth, $500,000 or less or more? And the biggest part is we did our storage school workshop. And so I taught this technique where on Facebook, you can actually reach out to storage owners. And we did this for 30 minutes. And our students got 5 owners within that time frame that actually DM'd them online and said, hey, yeah, I'd be open to an offer. What's your offer? And that's what we want you to do, is we want you to go cause these problems and be very, very different in how you're looking at talking to owners and building relationships so that people can just raise their hand. And then now you can come back to us and say, hey, Bree, okay, I've got a storage owner that raised their hand. How do I send them an offer, right? And so we've been actually sending offers fast this past week, and more people are starting to raise their hand because right now it's a buyer's market. Lots of storage owners want to know what their facility is worth today, and they're open to actually looking at seller financing and selling. And so making sure that you're not missing this, because a lot of people have their pencils down right now. You want to be in the mix, understanding what is that facility worth and how can I send a good offer. So make sure, if you guys take a look at the YouTube video, push the like button below and then continue to learn, because we're going to walk you guys through this technique A through Z. One of the biggest words that we've been talking about in storage school is called ROR, which means a return on relationships. Not a return on investment, but a return on relationships, because that is 10x more. And so right now our storage school students are like closing deals so much faster than other people because they're building these relationships with the owner. And so when someone wants an offer, they actually, I'm like, go shake their hand, take them to lunch, right? Get to know who they are and what their business means to them so that you guys can know, like, and trust and connect, right? So that is a huge thing, is when you have that advantage, drive there, even if it's 2 hours or if it's a plane flight. One of our students went from California to go shake a storage owner's hand in North Carolina. Like, that made all the difference and sealed the deal. So remember, every single time, it's less about always buying that storage facility, but being curious, asking good questions, and then also saying a return on relationships always gives you what you need. So make sure to click that subscribe button below and continue to watch, because we've got a lot of case studies that we want to walk you through to show you these frameworks.